Reiki, what is it? Reiki healing is a powerful holistic healing practice that has been around for centuries, originating in Japan. It is based on the theory that energy can be channeled from the practitioner to the patient in order to promote healing. Reiki is believed to help restore balance to the body, mind and spirit, allowing the body to heal itself naturally. Its effectiveness has been demonstrated in numerous studies, and has been used to treat a wide variety of physical, mental and emotional ailments. We will explore the history of Reiki healing, tracing its roots back to its origins and tracing its evolution throughout the years. We will also explore the benefits that Reiki has to offer. With this knowledge, readers new to Reiki will gain a better understanding of Reiki and its many healing properties. 1. Definition of Reiki healing. Reiki healing is an ancient natural healing technique that originated in Japan. It is based on the belief that energy, or ki, flows through all living things. During a physical Reiki session, a practitioner places their hands lightly on or above the recipient's body to channel the energy. It is also possible to channel Reiki over any distance if the patient is not present. This is because the energy is everywhere in the universe, and simply needs the intention to heal. Reiki is said to help reduce stress, promote relaxation, and encourage natural healing of the body and mind. Reiki is based on the principle that our bodies have an innate ability to heal themselves if given the right environment and resources. Reiki practitioners believe that by channeling energy, they can help restore balance to the body and promote healing. 2. Origin and history of Reiki. Reiki is a form of spiritual healing that originated in Japan, but became popular in the early 1900s. It was rediscovered and developed by Dr. Mikao Usui, who spent many years studying ancient Eastern healing techniques. Reiki is based on the belief that we are all connected to an invisible life force energy, and that by restoring the flow of this energy, we can heal physical, emotional, and spiritual imbalances. Reiki practitioners use their hands, or conscious thought energy, to transfer it to their clients, in order to balance their chakras and promote healing. Reiki has been embraced by many cultures and has been used to treat patients around the world. 3. Reiki principles. The 5 Reiki principles are central to the practice of Reiki healing, and are considered essential for living a harmonious and balanced life. They serve as a reminder of the importance of being kind, compassionate, and respectful to ourselves and those around us. The 5 principles are: just for today, I will not worry. Just for today, I will not anger. Just for today, I will show gratitude. Just for today, do your work honestly. Just for today, I will be kind to every living thing. These principles help us cultivate a positive attitude that is conducive for healing and cultivating a healthy mind-body-spirit connection. They also provide us with an opportunity to practice gratitude, mindfulness, and unconditional love. 4. Reiki levels and attunements. Reiki has risen in popularity due to its non-invasive and holistic approach to healing. It works by channeling energy through a practitioner's hands or energy field, to promote physical, mental, and spiritual healing. Everything has a life force energy. It is within and all around us. By learning how to connect with this life force, we can channel it, through our mind and body, for healing ourselves and others. Learning to connect with Reiki is through a process known as attunement. There are 4 levels of Reiki attunement, each providing an increasing level of understanding, knowledge, and healing power. The 4 levels are: 1st degree, 2nd degree, 3rd degree, and 4th degree. It is important to note that the 1st degree attunement is the only one that is considered mandatory for practicing Reiki. It provides the foundation for all other levels of attunements and teaches the basics of Reiki healing. 5. Benefits of Reiki healing. Reiki is a form of energy healing that uses the life force energy to promote physical, emotional, and spiritual health and well-being. Reiki healing is a great way to connect with your body and spirit to create balance and harmony. Here are 5 benefits of Reiki healing. 1. Reiki healing helps to restore balance and harmony in the body. 2. Improves mental clarity and focus. 3. Enhances self-esteem and confidence. 4. Reduces stress and anxiety levels. 5. Supports physical healing by promoting relaxation and reducing pain. In conclusion, Reiki is a powerful form of healing that has been used for centuries to promote physical, mental, and spiritual wellness. It is a holistic practice that focuses on the body's natural ability to heal itself. It is a safe and gentle healing modality that can be used in conjunction with other healing modalities. No matter what level of healing someone is seeking, Reiki is a great option to add to their healing practice.